Doing a little maintenance here on my van. I took off the doghouse cover and then cleaned it up. I'll probably do that 3 times a year maybe. It's got some foil shielding on the inside. And I was just gonna change the air filter here. I've got the new one right up there. And it does need to be changed. I'm gonna vacuum that out, wipe that out in there, get all that dust out of there. She'll be good to go. Here's the cover. And here's the shield that goes over it. I just kind of brushed it off. So I put the air filter back in and then put the air filter, the air intake cover back on, and then put that shroud over here that I just showed you. And then the doghouse just kind of snaps in. I've already vacuumed inside here. It's pretty good. But yeah, there's a look at the Dodge Ram van 3500 5.9 liter engine from inside the van here. It's a 2001. The chassis might be a 2000, but the Pleasureway is a 2001 Pleasureway on this Dodge Ram van 3500 chassis, 5.9 liter gas engine. There you can see inside the van right there, through there. And you can see the van carpet in there, in the inside.